Okay, go ahead and pause the video and try to use limit statements to represent the asymptotes for both f of x and g of x. And when you're ready to resume and go over the answers, you can turn the video back on. So in f of x, we have a horizontal asymptote here at y equals 2. And a vertical asymptote along x equals 1. So for the vertical asymptote, that would be the limit as x approaches 1. And since these curves are headed in two different directions, toward positive and negative infinity, we're going to approach it first from the left side with a little minus superscript of the function f. And that limit does not exist, but from the left side it is headed down to negative infinity. So we're going to indicate the direction. Then from the right side, that's the limit as x approaches 1 from positive, the right side of the function f. From the right side, we're heading up to positive infinity. And then our horizontal asymptote would be the limit as x approaches negative infinity, so we're headed off to the left of f of x. That is approaching the horizontal asymptote at y equals 2. And then the limit as x approaches positive infinity, so now we're headed off to the right end, is also approaching the horizontal asymptote at positive 2. Okay, and then in g of x, we have drawn the vertical asymptote here at 0. Horizontal asymptote is going to be at negative 1/2, so that we're an equal distance. Here's 1.5 at 4 gets us down to about negative 2, and then up 1.5 from negative 4 gets us up to positive 1. So the limit as x approaches 0 from the left side of the function g. From the left, we're headed up along that vertical asymptote to positive infinity. And then the limit as x approaches 0 from the right side, we can see the curve coming down and heading to negative infinity. Okay, then the limit as x approaches negative infinity, that's looking at the horizontal asymptote on the left side. And that horizontal asymptote is approaching negative 1/2. And then same thing for the right side. So the limit as x approaches positive infinity, that's the right end behavior, we're also approaching the horizontal asymptote at negative 1/2.